If you use a Sony camera and DJI's Mic 2, then this $35 accessory is something you definitely want to get your hands on. It's called the DJI Mic 2 camera adapter. And if you're using a Sony DSLR, you may have noticed that in the hot shoe on the top is a multi-pin connector. It's called a multifunction connector. If you look deep into the corner of the hot shoe, you'll notice a lot of small little electronic pins. These pins allow for Sony-authorized devices that transmit data to the camera without the need of external cables or adapters. Sony makes a whole bunch of accessories that work on their multifunction shoe. There are shotgun mics, XLR kits, of course various flashes, and now thanks to DJI, this third-party camera adapter kit which allows you to use your DJI Mic 2 directly into the camera without the need for a cable going into the microphone port. We're going to open the box here and see inside. Very simple, just one little thing down the middle minus the actual humidity pack. And there is the mic adapter and a plastic protective cover. We're going to pop that open over here. And there it is, in all its glory, $35 adapter. And here's how it works. On the bottom, you've got a protective cover that we're going to take off over here. This has that multi-pin adapter that's compatible with Sony devices. Slide that into your Sony camera that's compatible with it, just like so. And then on the top of the actual adapter, a little dongle folds up and has the exact same contacts that are on the DJI Mic 2 receiver. We're going to grab the DJI Mic 2 over here, pop it open, take the receiver out. Now on the bottom of the receiver, you obviously know that there's an adapter for either USB-C or Lightning. We're going to slide that off the adapter right there, put it on the side, and we take the DJI Mic 2 receiver and slide it right on to the adapter kit. There you have it. Digital connection from the DJI Mic receiver straight into the camera. The way it works, the screen is going to be facing you, the user, so you can see the levels at all times and have control of it. You can plug your headphones right into the jack over there to monitor it as well. And there you have it, a great $35 accessory for anybody who has a Sony camera and the new DJI Mic 2.